Today is the day that I learned how fast bleach can work. So I was starting to restore this antique seat, and I realized it's really falling apart. And basically everywhere nails could be on the bottom, nails have already been. And so I decided just to take the easy route and just put plywood underneath, because I have somebody interested in this for a wedding, which it's at this point probably just a wedding prop. That's probably all it's really good for. Although I have put some work into it, so maybe it's better than I expected. But look how quickly this is whitening up. This is amazing. It's just so amazing that you can actually do that with this. So I'm actually at this point just leaving. Hey, look at that, it's already doing it. I'm at this point just leaving the bleach in it, to be honest. I was using my little, oh yeah, look at that. Look how well that's actually cutting through. Was it a Hoover? Was it a Dyson? I think Hoover, okay. So it's like a little furniture cleaner. I actually got pretty disheartened about this thing because I was like, gosh, this thing is just such a mess. But I'm only going to be selling this for like $75. Apparently everybody in town had passed this thing up when it was outside. I only grabbed it because it was going to rain. And I was like, well, there's definitely no chance anybody would take it then. This stuff's working great. So this is furniture cleaner in the bottle, but I filled about 2/3 of it with solid bleach as well. So it is very strong. And yet not also 100% bleach, so maybe that's also advantageous. That does look a lot better. And once it actually dries, it should be very, very good. Looks like somebody's pin blew up on them, unfortunately. I am actually really amazed by how you can watch it happen in real time. I've put about, well, I'm not going to charge for it, but I've put about $100 worth of time, about like 10 hours or 5 hours into it. That's amazing. I guess the only thing left to do is down there. I tried using carb cleaner to clean up the pink. It didn't really work, but oh well. Now as that dries, that'll lower in its contrast, if that makes any sense. Before, there was a very bright silhouette around where that nail was. Now it's a little bit darker. Let's see about up here. Oh, and here. And here. Okay. I feel like at a certain point now, I should just stop. And we let it sit and dry. And that looks really nice. Yeah, you can see what I had to do down here. It just kind of had to be done because I don't have any of the strapping. Oh well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little experiment with bleach. And now I'm going to let it sit a lot longer, but I'm going to try to my Hoover to try to clean it up. I don't have any of the attachments, but I'm just using it with the straight side. Found this in the trash. Right now, I've just been running this since I didn't come with the brushes, and it also didn't come with the plain water container. I'm just doing that, and then I have a little bit more water. But yeah, it looks a lot better. This is something I can definitely. It'll do the job. It's not a real restoration, but it'll do the job. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.